wasn't like niggas was screaming, I'm real gay. I was walking around in fucking $200 sweatsuits to Rikers Island. You know what I mean? Living. Each was good, living good. Niggas was giving me love. Niggas sending me shit. Latin Kings giving me shit. Everybody giving me shit. Like he represent, we got love for you. It was love. It was out of that love that I was like, yo, thug life is bad. I was like, while I'm in jail, this is going to jail with me. Nobody has the power. Nobody is like me to be able to represent this while I'm locked down. I thought I was going away for years. I couldn't let nobody represent that at all. And I would see how many soldiers I had by coming to jail. I was like, oh no, this is, I got to stop it. I got to rethink it because I didn't plan thug life. I just said it. It was how I felt. I said it and I lived it. Now I got to take my life, see what I live, what I represent,